So let's add widgets to our lock screen. From the lock screen, you want to long press anywhere on your screen for a second or two, and wait until this Customize option shows up over your screen. Now, we want to select the lock screen option here on the left, since this is where we will be adding our widgets. We've opened the lock screen editor, and we can add widgets at the first and third row at the top, since the second row is reserved for our iPhone's clock, and we can't change that. We can click on this date option at the top, which will give us an option to add a weather or clock widget. We also have a fitness widget, Gmail, you can add custom text, and many more things. So that's the first row of widgets on the lock screen, and I can click here on this third row if I want to add more widgets, and these widgets can be bigger, because there's more room here. You can take your time with this and really customize it to your liking. And if you want to make your own widget, you can download a free app from the App Store that's called Widgetsmith, and I'll leave this application link in the description also, so you can download and install the right app. When you download and install this application, you're gonna see a bunch of different customization options for your widgets, so you can create a widget of your own. You will be able to create a text widget, a circular widget, rectangular ones, and many more. So that's essentially how we can add widgets to our lock screen on iOS 18. If you have any other questions or suggestions, make sure you leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.